in the quiet village of Ogidi, where red earth paths wound between mud houses, and palm trees whispered in the wind, there lived a sacred truth everyone respected: no one harmed the python called Eek. It was said that Eek was not just a snake, but a spirit, an ancient guardian that watched over the land and its people. The elders told stories of how, many years ago, during a season of drought, a great python had appeared near the village stream. Instead of fleeing, it stayed, gliding silently through the farms. Soon after, the rains returned, crops flourished, and Ogidi knew peace again. From that day, the python became a symbol of blessing. Children were taught from a young age: if you see Eek, step aside and greet it. It means no harm. One afternoon, a young man named Obina returned to Ogidi after years in the city. He had forgotten the old ways, dismissing them as mere superstition. As he walked through the forest path behind his father's compound, he saw a large python stretched across the narrow road. Startled, Obina picked up a stick, ready to strike. "Stop!" a voice called out. It was Mama Ifioma, an elderly woman who had seen it all. She hurried toward him, her wrapper rustling with urgency. "That is Eek. You do not raise your hand against it." Obina hesitated. "It's just a snake," he said. Mama Ifioma shook her head slowly. "Some things are more than what they seem. This village stands because we remember." Reluctantly, Obina lowered the stick and stepped aside. The python lifted its head briefly, its calm eyes meeting his, before it slid quietly into the bushes. That night, a heavy rain fell, strong, steady, life-giving. By morning, the farms were soaked, and the villagers rejoiced. Obina sat outside, watching the sun rise over Ogidi, his thoughts heavier than before. Maybe, he realized, respect wasn't always about understanding. Sometimes it was about trust in the stories, the people, and the unseen forces that held everything together. From that day on, whenever Obina walked the village paths, he kept his eyes open, not out of fear, but out of reverence for Eek, the silent guardian of Ogidi.